Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw a nice dress with hearts. Let's start drawing. We are going to draw a nice dress very quickly. Like this. It's going to have short sleeves. Then I will draw a nice bow on the waist. And a big skirt like this. Cute! Now let's draw a heart shape on the chest part. And little hearts on the bottom. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange. Yellow. Then light green. Light blue. Let's start again with red. Then I use orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. And pink. Let's start again with red. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, blue, purple, and pink. Awesome! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.